Hey, what's up? I'm Nick Vaughn. This is John Rose here. We're the tent product managers here at Coleman. A lot of you have been hearing and seeing some bits and pieces on the web about the Coleman Instant Tent. So what we wanted to do today was show you how this thing works, and then we have a little challenge for you at the end. John and I are going to set this up as fast as we can. We claim we can do it under a minute, but let's see how much faster we can do it.
Alright, so basically you guys have been having some difficulty with getting it out of the box in up and under a minute. So what we're going to do is just show you this is a fresh tent. We're pulling it out of the box, and as soon as we touch bag to ground, we'll get it up in about 60 seconds.
First, just get the tent out of the bag.
Make sure the hub part with the styrofoam goes up. You're going to want to remove that styrofoam piece.
Keep your tent stakes here to the side for later.
Then you're going to spread the fabric around. Let the poles drop to the ground while still holding the center hub upright in the middle. And then you're going to fold out each one of the top poles. Just basically grab the pole and pull towards you for all 6 poles. And then if you look carefully at the pole structure, there'll be 4 poles that'll extend. And it'll be a bigger pole and a little pole. You're going to want to grab the little pole, pull out as far as you can till you hear a click and it's locked in place. So you're going to want to do that 4 times. 2 poles in the front, 2 poles in the back.
The important thing to remember is the 2 side poles, there's no need for those to telescope out, so just the 4 corner poles will extend.
Okay, and once that's done, basically what you're going to do is go around to the 6 leg poles, and you're going to want to work from front to back to get them up correctly without the tent being too awkward. So you're going to grab the top hub section, pull on the bottom pole, and extend again till you hear a click. And just basically work your way from front to back, doing the same thing 6 times. And then once it's you hear 6 clicks, you're done.
At this point, we just need to use our stakes that are provided, stake out the tent, then use your other 6 stakes, guy out the tent here, and you're ready to camp. Roll down your windows, and you're good to go.
And now we're going to take this guy down. We're going to show you how to collapse it in on itself and fold it up. And then once that's done, we're going to get it back in the bag and then show you how fast a couple of product managers can do this.
It's the same step.
Just let the 6 leg poles fall.
Push the button, the pole will telescope in on itself.
And once you get it down to this level, just go ahead and push those silver buttons and slide those 4 poles in, just the same way you did when you set it up. And then basically just going to push these 2 poles in first. Just push on the hub directly in towards the tent.
Just put your hand here, push down.
And then the tent will collapse in on itself, and then you grab the 6 main poles and sweep them back towards the center. So you get a nice tight spiral here. Then lift each one of the leg poles in towards the center hub. And once you get the 6 leg poles gathered, you're going to take one of the swoops of cloth, just drag it around, and then push it down on its side, and roll it as you would any other tent. Just keep rolling until you get the air.
The poles in the center will act like an axle, so you simply roll the air, and the poles will help you push the air out of the tent. At this point, the tent's ready to go back in the bag. The bag is expandable, so it should be fairly simple and easy to fit it in. Simply start one end of the bag, and basically the bag is much bigger than the tent. All you're fighting at this point is air. Once you get the air out of the tent easily fits back into the bag. Got compression straps here. There's 2 of them. You'll loosen these up with the simple compression strap buckle. Put the simple clips into here, and this will help you get additional air out of the tent. At that point, you're good to go.